Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming religion, bonuses, and missionary strength. You need a target province with state or accepted status to avoid permanent unrest. Once done, assign a missionary and slot an advisor or idea that boosts conversion speed, and spend 1-2 stability if necessary for safety. Make sure to raise missionary strength via policies or estates if you plan a fast campaign. This initial push sets a stable base for the next, more complex steps. Now you systematically convert. Prioritize the capital and high development provinces to flip national religion and reduce unrest quickly. While missionaries work, enact religious ideas, policies, and papal or cardinal actions to multiply conversion speed, integrate religious rebels or release nations if needed. Also, balance unrest by garrisoning troops and using harsh treatment sparingly to avoid devastation. Once the main provinces are secure, begin converting. To finish, confirm your capital and national religion have flipped and reform institutions or remove heretic penalties if necessary. Then use decisions to lock in benefits and adjust estates or tolerances to stabilize the realm. Once complete, convert any leftover provinces and update your diplomatic stance to reflect new faith alliances. If conversion stalls, pause expansion, raise missionary strength through advisors or policies, reduce unrest sources, or use temporary autonomy. This troubleshooting step prevents collapse and ensures long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.